pnpm on Mac. Install, store. Install pnpm with Homebrew first. It gives you the binary directly on your Mac path. Verify the install with enpm-- version. If a version prints, enpm is ready. If Node is already installed, Corepack is another clean. Enable Corepack once so Package Manager shims are available in. Then prepare enpm latest and activate it immediately for this machine. Set a visible pnpm-store directory so cached packages are easy to understand, and pnpm-store path shows the exact cache location npm. Read the config back so you know the store setting actually stuck. Create a tiny project and initialize package.send with add TypeScript and ASX as dev dependencies. npm link run a TypeScript file through npm exec. This proves dependencies and commands work together. Now create workspace folders for a small monorepo structure. The workspace file tells dnpm which packages belong to the same. Run pnpm install once and then list every workspace package from the root. Check the store status to make sure cached packages are healthy and which enpm confirms the exact binary your shell is. Finish with one more version check. npm is